Microphone check. Check, check. 1, 2. Let me start my countdown, man. Smart Coder, what's happened? First one today. How you doing? Haven't even set all my chat windows up yet, man. You're too early. Oh, JCast19. How you doing? Don't defense. What's happening? Type racer. You know I'm not about to race when nobody's here. Just got back, saw you online. Nice. You already know. I'm a few minutes late today, but usually I try and be like on the dot, man. Zombie Killer Whale. Welcome to the party. Yeah, Thursday. I'm be gone for like a week. So you got today, you got Wednesday, and that's it, man. You should do what other streamers do. What do other streamers do? Start stream 15 minutes early, then just leave a blank screen. Is that a thing? Do people do that, man? So I'll just turn on the stream at 8:45 and just have it just starting or something for like 15 minutes. I considered it, man. LeetCode in the house. Steven Sagiball, how are you doing? Will Japan be too hot to visit in August? I don't think so, man. I think August is going to be probably hot, but not too hot. Gather my peeps? Yeah, maybe. But I don't... Maybe one of these days when I get bigger or something. Haven't seen Pat done a long stream in days. Yeah, maybe he's just kind of busy. Or something. Streaming is difficult, Smart Coder. I mean, I don't feel so much discouraged anymore, but when I originally started streaming, there's so many days and I just felt like not even streaming, not even turning on the stream and saying hello and doing algorithms. It just took a lot out of me. But these days, I guess since I don't do it every day and I pace myself, it's not so bad. But when you're doing it every single day, it does take a toll on you. So I don't blame Pat for like not doing long streams every single day. What are those transparent colored containers next to your speaker? Man, if you gotta ask, you don't need to know. It's these things, don't worry about it, man. Steven Sagwell, are you actually going to Japan, or are you still like doing your research? Inrosis in the house. How you doing, Inrosis? The goods. Yeah, that's how me and Blaze Pascal hang out sometimes. 20 people are waiting to see Pat stream. Guy, you build a great community. Man, Pat is very entertaining. I love watching his stream. I love like seeing what he's up to, man. Why not? How you doing? Welcome to the party. It's almost time to get started, man. Do you think he's actually named Pat? Yeah, I think his name is Pat for sure. I don't see why he'd make up a fake name. Who'd name their kid that? Man, Pat's mom or dad named their kid that. Yeah, do I have any relatives named Pat? I think so. I think I got somebody in my family named Patrick. Thought it was fake until he showed us one of his emails. Why do you think his name is fake? What's wrong with the name Pat, man? You guys are savage. Anyways. It's rare? Nah, man. There's so many Pats out there. Patrick Mahomes, uh, Patrick Swayze. Not gentle is also Pat. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I wasn't gonna tell everybody that, but not gentle, another Patrick. Who else is a Patrick that I know? That's about it. Why would someone pick Pat as their fake name? Yeah, that's a more real question. Anyways, are y'all ready? Let me see. Yeah, so Thursday, I'm out of here, man. Ready for what? Ready for LeetCode, the only thing I know how to do. I'm a one-trick pony, man. I don't know how to do anything else. Daily is not easy. Oh, lordy. Did a LeetCode problem yesterday. I didn't get it though. Wait, what? Which problem? Also, if you get ads right now... Wait, why does it show my shorts? Anyways, maybe my dang thing is wrong, but... I was just trying to say, if you get ads on Twitch, you can just watch on YouTube. Let me try and get my commands down for this thing. How do I add something to Stream Elements? Give me 1 second, man. I'm like a streaming noob. YouTube. Let me edit that. Alright, here's the ads. If you got ads, there it is, man. Do you do Code Forces? Nah, man. Code Forces is too hard for me. Not gonna lie. Daily Steven Codes. Oh, Steven. Oh, no. That means it's like threesome. I'm not doing threesome, man. No, it's not threesome. Thank goodness. Minimum height trees. Yeah, I do remember Stephen Code stuff always trying to tell me to do this problem. Alright. We gotta try it. Insert row? Steven Sagaball, what you talking about? Insert row in binary search tree. Or binary tree. Yeah, I think I know that one. I think I wrote a dang editorial or a solution on it. Haven't done this question yet? Nah, come on now. I done it back in 2022. Come on now, man. I didn't see. Yeah, I'm on a different session. I think once I switch sessions out, it changes up things. All right, here we go. A tree is an undirected graph in which any two vertices are connected by exactly one path. In other words, any connected graph without simple cycles is a tree. Given a tree of n nodes labeled from 0 to n-1 and an array of n-1 edges where edges I equal AB indicates that there is an undirected edge between the nodes A and B in the tree. You can choose any node of the tree as the root. When you select a node X as the root, the result tree has a height H. Among all possible rooted trees, those with minimum height are called minimum height trees. Return a list of all minimum height trees root labels. You can return the answer in any order. The height of a rooted tree is the number of edges on the longest downward path from between the root and the leaf. What? AKSR41, welcome to the party. How are you doing? So, alright. I think I might need my dang pen for this problem. The last time I did this was 2 years ago. I probably don't remember anything. Not probably. For sure, I don't remember anything. Alright, so the answer here is 1. Because As shown, the height of the tree is 1 when the root is the node with label 1, which is the only minimum height tree. What are they talking about, man? So they give us these edges 1 0, 1 2, 1 3. These are the same dang tree. Why are they showing us 4 different things? All right, let me look at this one. Got 6 things, and here are the edges. So 3 and 4. Oh, I see what they're saying. So they're saying if 0 is the root, then the height is 1, 2. If 1 is the root, then it's just 1. And if 2 is the root, then it's like 2. And then if 3 is the root, it's 3, or it's 2. My bad. So this is the answer. And this one, they're saying 3 and 4 are the answers because here are the edges. Okay. All right, how are we gonna do this, man? Same tree, different root. Yeah. How are we gonna do this? They're talking about 2 is the minimum height. 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2. All right, how are we gonna find? What do I do first? Let me think a little bit. So the first thing, I think the first thing for sure that I know I have to do, so I'll just do it right now, is make an adjacency list. So I'll do that. 0 is gonna map to like 3, and it's undirected, so that means 3 also maps to 0. And then here 3 maps to 1, but 1 will also map to 3. 3 maps to 2, but 2 will also map to 3. 3 maps to 4. And then 4 maps to 3. And then 5 to 4. And 4 to 5. So based on this, what are we gonna do? Do we just like do one DFS and like remember some things, or let me think. So if I just DFS from anywhere, say 3, then it's like maybe I need to see how many. All right, I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna just DFS all the nodes. So I'll start with 0, I suppose. I suppose everything is connected, so I can just choose 1. If I start at 0, then I hit 3. And I've already been to 0. And then I go to 1. I've already been to 3. So it's like 0 to 3 is only 1 move. 3 to 1 is 1 move. So maybe it's like the height of how long it took to get there versus the maximum height of all of its children's depths or something. I don't know if I'm making sense. But anyways, let me continue. And then we go to 2. So 2. All right, so 1 Yeah, I think I have an idea, but I don't know how to explain it, man. One would be like its parents had 2 steps to get there, so the parent of 1 would be like 0, 3, and then it finally hit 1, so that's like a length of 2. And then its children are 0 because there's no, it doesn't go into anything. 2 would be the same thing. 2 would be like 0, 3, and then 2. Right? And then 0, so that would be a 2. What am I doing, man? Let me think. Good mouse control, thank you. And then we hit 4, so 4 would be like, it took 0, 3, and then there to get to 4. No. I don't know if this is the right answer. Yeah, it must be. No. Because how is 1 connected to 0 here? Oh wait, come on, man. I'm looking at this graph with these edges, but it's supposed to be this graph. And I was confused for a second, man. I was confusing myself. Anyways, so the answer should be 3 and 4. So it's like 3 plus the parents plus the children is 2. No, but then in this case, all right, let me think again. I think I messed up here. Let me think. So, where do I begin? Answer is 3, because it's like the minimum of this path, or the minimum of any, or the maximum of any of its children's paths. But, oh lordy. If we did 0, 0 goes to 3. And then 3 can go to all of these. Yeah, maybe. Let me gather my thoughts one more time. So 0, it would be like in. So 0 has like 0 and maybe like 3 for the children's depth or something. 1, 2, 3. You should consider adding a 100k redeem. I think a lot of people have 100k plus. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more redeem, smart coder. I just haven't decided what they will be yet. 0, 3. 3 already visited 0. 1 returns 1. 2 returns 1. 4 will return 2. And then 0 is like 1, so what am I doing? And then 4, so it took 4. It has like 2 edges incoming. It would be like 0, 3, and then it hits the 4. And then it would have like 1 on the 5. 0 would be like 0 incoming, and then it goes 3 deep. 1 would be like 1 had 2 incoming. Oh man. And I guess because it goes to a 3, is this kind of like a DP thing where if I visited the 3 would already map to like a 2, so it'd be like 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3. Douche, how you doing? Welcome to the party. I woke up early for my friend's Japan passport. Man, I'm excited for you. What do you mean you woke up early for it though? G1D, thank you very much for the hydrate. Cheers. Isihogo, how are you doing, man? I hope you're doing some LeetCode these days and you're laying off the Leagues of Legends or what you like, whatever you're playing over there. Had an interview today, man. That is exciting. What kind of interview? Was it like algorithms? Was it like a behavioral type of phone screen or HR screen or what? Pair programming. 5 of us got the visa. He got rejected. Dang. How did he get rejected? What was the reason for that? I didn't know that Japan was strict like that. How did the pair programming session go, Isihogo? Do you feel like you crushed it? Or what? I'll just create this adjacency list real quick. I don't think I got the position. Dang. Why do you think that? Was there something that you struggled with that like you didn't know? No travel history, but he had travel history. Oh, snap. Yeah, I guess hopefully can get that overturned or something. It was my first pair programming ever, so I didn't know what to expect. So you're saying it wasn't a knowledge issue, like, or what? He wants me to implement cursor-based pagination. I don't even know what that means. Tweak N, how you doing? Welcome to the party. I have a big release at work this week, kind of nerve-wracking. What kind of release are you talking about? Is this yesterday's daily? I think it's today's daily, man. Minimum height trees. Streaming RPC, you know you can specify a number of pages. In Rails? Rails? Dang, you have to do... So you don't know... I don't know anything about Rails. You know how you can specify a number of pages? I'm not sure what y'all talking about, man. New authentication system for a web app. Sounds pretty cool. Just send it, man. Alright, anyways. I don't know how to solve this problem. But I feel it's like the maximum of however many nodes it took to get there, or the depth of its child, or something like that. I guess it would be like a DP. I think I probably want some type of cache. Maybe. It's like for lazy loading, so you can load some items at a time. Like you send where you are from the front end and you get the item back from the database. I see. So you don't think you did good, unfortunately. Is that your only interview you had, Isihogo? Or do you have like somewhere lined up or what? Oh, Jesus. Type racing ass shit is too loud, man. Yeah, I gotta turn that dang volume down, man. That shit was loud as hell. Anyways, we got a type racer. Smart Coder wants to race. Scared the hell out of me. Yeah, it's kind of scared me too. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Oh shit. Who's here for type racer? I guess we can do a little bet, and then I'm trying to solve this dang problem for real. All right, Q's out here. Smart Coder is out here. Or might be louder than real F1. I gotta take an action item to lower that volume on that dang thing. Name the adjacency list tweaking. Dang. I'll do that. All right, type racer. Should we make bets? Let's do a little bet. What should the bet be? Let me just do good old me versus Q Ultimus. Who's gonna win? 2 minutes to decide. Place your bets. Easy bet. Q is way faster than me. There's a good chance he might win. But place your bets. We're about to do the type racer. Q thinks he's gonna win. $5,000 sure. Jiwande with the 0. JCast19. That's a big bet, man. Man, Clistar, what are you doing? Giving away free money out there. Place your bets. We're about to do a type racer. It's gonna be 1 round warm-up, 2nd round championship round. And everybody is welcome to join. And whoever wins, their name goes up on my board forever. My website. Here we go. And YouTube, if anybody's on YouTube, you want to type race, there's a link. Let me send it in the Discord. Type racer time. Good odds on Q. Q is faster than I am. There's a really good chance Q is gonna win. All right, let's warm up. It's just a warm up, don't worry. Easy work, easy work. All right. Anyways, dang 120. Dang Q. What the hell was that, man? Can't be typing that fast in the warm up. Lucas. Wait. Lucas D Rapid. Thank you very much for the follow. All right, championship round. Here we go. This is for real. Big money on the line. Get in here. Everybody get in here. Let's go. Man, look at that. 86, 86, but second place, third place. I beat Q by just a little bit, but man, that was such a slow passage. Everybody, I'm so disappointed in everybody's speed right now, man. And who's that guest with 103? Easy. Man, guest? Who's that guest? You gotta take a screenshot. The dot double quote messed you up. Yeah, me too, man. Rocky88, how you doing? Did you ever watch Wreckful? Don't know what that is or who that is. I found out about Type Racer. Nah, I've been type racing since like 1999, man. Arrived too late. Oh, Bet Simp. I'm sorry for your loss. Why do I always type faster in the warm-up, man? Because the pressure isn't on. I had no idea it was that old. Well, I don't mean literally 1999, but it's been a long time. Jesus Christ, Bet Simp. JCast19, easy money, man. Dang. All right. Give a chance to Severance. Oh, that show? Man, I gotta get Apple TV though, man. Yeah, what can you do, BetSim? Jeez, look at those big ass gains. Wow. 5K gives you 25K. Anyways. It's just channel points? No, BetSim. It's more than just channel points. You can redeem things that money cannot buy with these channel points. And 30, I was just about to add something for like 40,000 channel points. But now you're broke. It's essentially a free keyboard at some point. Yeah, or a free piece of art, or I was thinking some other things. Anyways, well, I don't know who guest is. I don't like to put guest up on my board, but I'll do it. You're a guest, man. I don't know. I don't know if I should believe you, man. Hopefully you took a screenshot. What's today? And this is the reason why you should register for Type Racer, man. I think I'm just gonna make a rule that if you're not logged in, you go down as guest. What was that, 102? 22? What? You should add Clash of Code Redemption. Nah, I don't. I actually hate Clash of Code, man. I can't stand that dang thing. But I'll do it every now and then. I don't know. Clash of Code triggers me, I swear. I hate Clash of Code as well. It's so dumb. I don't think it's dumb. I think it's just super Well, maybe I think it's dumb. I don't have anything nice to say. Did you upsolve Q3? Nah, not yet. Not yet. But I think I can solve it for sure. I just kind of spazzed out on the contest. You should just give it a try just once. Never do it again if you fail. Yeah, maybe I'll have it like $20,000 to redeem a Clash of Code or something. Tugen 3213, what's happening? You still on the lemon pepper Wingstop as favorite dish, or have you found a new one this year? Man, lemon pepper has been one of my top things in my life since I've been in high school for like 20 years or something, man. But my newest obsession besides lemon pepper wings is like chicken over rice from the dang food truck down the street, man. Some halal food truck. It's like yellow looking basmati rice, and then the dang chicken from the thing, and they chop it up on the grill. Man, that's so good. I don't know what they put in there. It doesn't taste like regular chicken and over rice. Yeah, I'd say that's what I've been eating mainly these days. Turmeric rice with loads of seasoning. Yeah, that sounds about right, man. You do white sauce, hot sauce too? Man, I do a little bit of white sauce and a lot of hot sauce. Anytime I go to that dang food truck, the dang people working there, the one dude or two dudes in there, they be like, oh, hot sauce. Oh, you like spicy. You love spicy. And they can't get over it that I like so much hot sauce on it. But it's not even that much hot sauce. It's like they put one line, or they put like a half a line, and they're like, good? I'm like, nah, man, put more. And they put like an X, and they're like, oh, and I was like, one more. I'm like, oh, shit. It's really hot, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I have to like eat it in breaks. It's so hot, but I like it. I used to have it often when I was in NYC. Yeah, it's so cheap. It's like $9, and it feeds me twice. You know, halal guys. Nah, it's not halal guys. It's just a dang food truck. Anyways, if they have lamb, you should definitely try that. Yeah, they do. Sometimes I get mixed over rice, chicken and lamb over rice, but my doctor says I should not eat lambs or cows or pigs. So I just try and eat the chicken. Halal guys is also food truck? Huh. Anyways, there's many of those, not necessarily that brand. Right, yeah, so I've tried a few different spots like that, like restaurants, food trucks and stuff, but I still just keep going back to the same dang food truck. And man, I eat that like 4 times a week these days. Yeah, that's 4. Yeah. Well, guys, hot sauce is for real spicy. Man, that thing is super spicy. I ain't lying, man. Anyways. So what the hell am I doing? So it's like hot what? Level 002, what's happening? If too much spice. Yeah, the first time I ordered from them, I think it was too spicy. I had them put more hot sauce, more hot sauce. It's like, give me a little bit more. And I went home and I was like really crying. I was absolutely crying. I think I drank at least 10 gallons of water. But man, it was good. The next time I went, I told them, man, just a little bit of spice. But I mean, it's still a lot, but not nearly as much as my first time. What football match on the toilet? Anyways, so what am I trying to do here, man? I'm trying to do something like that, maybe. And then I need to like iterate over all of the children in the adjacency list. And then what do I want? How am I gonna do this? I want the maximum, I think. Which is like that. And then I want to like just return the max of best and depth. Do I add one to this? Maybe. I don't even know if whatever I'm doing is making any sense, but we'll see. I had an idea. I don't know if I'm implementing the idea right. So this is gonna create that, and then I can. Oh wait, this is I'm gonna just call that MHT. What am I doing, man? Anyways, off to bed. Jiwandi, adios, man. Have a good night. DevGod 2020. How you doing? Question gives an undirected graph. Also, question gives topic of what? Where did it give the topic, man? The topic isn't. You gotta click on the topic to see it. All right, here we go. So I need to iterate over. I don't even know if this idea will work, you know. And then if cache this, then let me see if this idea works. Uh-oh. Oh, lordy. Man, I feel a little bit disappointed in my contest performance. I feel like I could have gotten all 4, but I just messed up. Ooh. How do I mark things as seen? I don't even know if I need to do this, but maybe. I'll just mark it immediately. Pat's Hello World, what's happening? Welcome to the party. It's okay, you're still plus ELO. Yeah, barely though. Q3 is not very intuitive. Man, I think I had the idea though, but I just didn't trust my gut too much, and I kind of just flaked out of that idea and I skipped it. Q3 hard, Q3 harder than Q4. You remember to long for Q4, right? Man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think I longed anything, man. Am I gonna get rejudged? Am I gonna actually... Oh, man. They can't be doing that, man. I guess I'm going down big time for Q4. Well, the bet's already done. My elo went up compared, like, can't change that. Man, that's like, they can't be doing that, man. I think that shit should be unrated. You know, they can't be. This time is crazy bad because if you get that error in a contest, it's like you should just add 5 minutes or something, you know. But now it's gonna count for nothing. So, anyways, I don't even know how to solve this problem though. The model solution was wrong. The model solution overflows. Yeah, LeetCode better get their shit together, man. Otherwise, I don't know if people are gonna still take the contest. But I guess there's like nowhere else for people to go. I don't even know what's happening right now. Why do you think it should be unrated? Because they're adding new test cases for something that if they had just the correct test cases during the contest, it's an easy fix for most people if they overflowed. And now it's like everyone's gonna get 0 points when they should have gotten all those points, you know? We move over to the Clash of Code contest? Nah. Luckily I watched long, man. I didn't even think about overflowing. And they just FST'd people? What does that mean? It's within their rules. Like, this is a part of LeetCode contests. Just like hacking on code forces. Hacking. Fail system testing. Is there a reason to not long all the time for contests? Yeah. I think I might just start trying to remember always long. Shady from YouTube. How you doing, man? Hello. Joel's Dev, thank you very much for the follow. Man, what the hell is happening here? This ain't right, man. This ain't right at all. So I was trying to be like... New question here. Are you good at math? No, I'm actually not good at math at all. Define int long time? Yeah, maybe. Why you stream on YouTube? Got support Amazon's Empire on Twitch. What's happening, Hepta5? How you doing? William Butlicker, welcome back, man. How you doing? I have a mechanical engineering degree, yeah, but it's kind of old. Anyways, how do I solve this problem, man? I think I had an idea, but now it's like my idea isn't working the way I thought it would. Oh, you know, well, shit. Why is this way not working? Like these numbers looked a lot different in my head when I did them, but maybe there's something wrong with my head, you know? Depth. So I start with 0, 0. And then I go into, I hit 1. 1 has a depth of 1. Then 1 sees 0, but it's already seen, so it continues. And then 1 should hit either 2. Oh, Pankaj. Dang, thank you very much for the sub, Pankaj. How are you doing? Good morning to you. Let me put you up there, man. Thank you so much for all the support over the years, Pankaj. Man, I am not feeling great about that contest now that I'm gonna get murdered. Absolutely destroyed, man. My rating is gonna go back down into the 1900s probably. Are you doing the onion peeling? I don't know what you're talking about. Thought Sam was a CS major. Nah, yeah, right. Anyways, where do they announce a new test case? Yeah, probably in the, I don't know, I didn't see it. BetSimp told me. Feel like your contest rating is gonna rise? Nah, not if they rejudge the contest. But I do feel like I'm getting ready for a big, I guess, upswing in my rating since I'm like starting to actually solve Q4s. I'm giving problems more time to think about, you know. Or GitHub, they might have added it again. What? Man, I was gonna do something. I don't remember what now. One. Oh yeah, should I just take this away? That +1? No. I don't know what I'm doing. Try running again. The test case might already be in. Man, this data problem is giving me a warm time. Jesus. Another contest bombed. Yeah, look at that. Int, man. It's not gonna work. Definitely gonna fail. Shit. It just passed, man. But clearly it shouldn't if the weights can be 100K and I don't know. Because I don't have longs anywhere, man. They might not have updated it yet. Try with the test case from that link. I mean, for sure it's not going to work if my dang thing... Where's the test case at? If I don't have long, it's like, it's not gonna work, man. Look at that. Long man strikes again. Anyways, Shady from YouTube, are you using LeetCode Premium? I am not. Should I subscribe for it when beginning? I don't think it's necessary, man. Especially in the beginning. I don't think you'll be taking advantage of LeetCode Premium enough. I think in the beginning you have tons of resources to start with. Up and away. What's happening? Do you think it's worth it to grind LeetCode if you're not going big tech? I don't think so. I think if you don't want a big tech job or big tech adjacent or something, like, what's the point of doing LeetCode unless, I mean, if you're describing it as a grind, then no. But if you're just doing it because you think it's fun and you really enjoy solving these algorithms, then yeah. But if you're already describing it like, is it worth it to grind? That means you don't find it fun. And like, I think, yeah, if you're not trying to get into big tech, maybe you should spend more time building things and being able to talk about like whatever you're building and technologies that they're using today. Wait, can C++ not use long for everything? Yeah, nah, I don't think so. Maybe with that macro or whatever. All right. So should I give up on this? Not this one. Should I give up on the daily problem, man? I think I can solve it, but I don't know what's going on with me today. Maybe this way I'm doing it is not the way. But I feel like it, I mean, I don't know what to do. Like 1 and 2. Why would, oh. But then it doesn't. Yeah, I don't think this is the way, whatever I'm doing here. I should just erase it and think again. There's a more general way to do it and easier to reason about way to do it. I think you're doing it the first way, which is called tree DP or rerouting. Let me think for just a moment here. I see where it's failing though. I see like why whatever I had wasn't working. I just need to think about some things. So if I just hit one thing, yeah, what do I do, man? What do I do? I think I'm all out of ideas, man. I can't solve it. We just need the minimum. Can I binary search it? No. That doesn't. Can I just. Yeah, I was trying to like hit 0 and try and remember like how many. I don't even know what I was trying to do, to be honest, now that I'm thinking. Alright, I think I've spent enough time. It's been like an hour already. It's time to give up, man. Let me look at what I did 2 years ago. He tried thinking about some type of sorting. Sorting. Man, what the hell, man? Top sort, huh? How do you even get top sort from this? Like, looks like you did the second way. I guess that's like. So if you did it with top sort, that means it shouldn't be bidirectional. We should just treat it as like a one-directional thing. Because how do you know where to start? No. Oh, wait. Maybe it can be. Because leaf nodes would be in degrees of only 1 would be the leaf nodes. And then what? So once we get those, then it's just like the last layer. Alright, so for this one, 0, 1, 2, and 5 are the leaf nodes. And then the last layer would be the best one. All right. I mean, I can do that for sure. If that's the answer. Let me try and implement it. So in degrees, and I'm like, if this dot size equals 1, then how do you do top sort again? Is it push? So I guess the in degrees in this case is just this size. Right? And then what? So it decrements. All right, let me try and science this out. So while there's something in our queue, let's say That's a current node. How do you do top sort again? You pop the current node. You decrement all of its children's in degrees. All right, so let's visit all the children. And then we decrement the in degrees. So in degrees of the child decremented. If it's equal to 0, then we add it to the queue. And then what? And that's it. And then we just return that level. Or wait. 0, 2, 3. Why this ain't working? Things are tough out here for me, man. Struggling. Strike on, bro. What's happening? What is happening, man? 0, 2, 3, 1. But all these in degrees. Oh, you know what I didn't do, man. I see. So maybe I should be like, if it's 1. I think, yeah, because usually I'm thinking 0. 0, 2, 3. Then it should hit the 1, man. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't add it to the level. Alright. Today is not a great day for me for this problem. Man, how come I didn't see that? Well, Jesus Christ. Anyways, gee, wait, I swear it's supposed to be good now. Maybe I should like... I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just be like, if n equals something, return 0. This is a little cheat though. I don't like doing this. I really don't like to do that. But I guess I could like have some type of last level or something, previous level, current level type of thing, and then like return the previous level. Can you explain your level thing? Sure. It's just the level is just like which nodes I'm popping off in the top sort for that current level. So I don't know how to explain it, man. It's like a level order traversal. Explain my solution. Man, it's a top sort. It's a top sort, man. Wait. Do an if and hard return. Yeah, I guess that's what I did. All right, so let me try and explain. If you're not familiar with topological sort, it's almost a standard topological sort right now that I'm doing. Except in this case, usually topological sort, you'll find a node with 0 in degrees, and that's like a source node. But since this is bidirectional, it means every node has at least 1 in degree. An in degree is like how many nodes are incoming, you know? So the leaf nodes, like this node, these are the leaf nodes. These all have 1 in degree. This is the in degree right here, 1. Another in degree. So all leaf nodes have 1 in degree. So that's why I'm doing this here. And you start our queue off with those leaf nodes. Here, let me show you an example on this one. So these are the leaf nodes. And we start, these are in the queue initially. So our queue has 0, 1, 2, and 5. And let me write how many in degrees each node has right there. So these all have 1 in degree. The 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4 in degrees. And the 4 has 2 in degrees. So initially 0, 1, 2, and 5 are in the queue, and then we just run it. So the queue size is 4. So we do a for loop to like process each of those nodes in the queue, 0, 1, 2, and 5. And for each node that we process, we iterate through all of its children. Ingest Dell, thank you very much for the sub. Thank you so much. I'm put your name up on the board in just a second. Where was I? We're iterating through the children. Each time you visit one of its child nodes, you decrement the in degree. So that means once we hit this node right here, like 0 goes to 3, we hit this, then we decrement this in degree. It's now 3. And then once it reaches 1, we push it to the queue. So it hasn't reached 1 yet, so we don't do anything. The next node goes in 1 to 3. We decrement this. Now there's 2 in degrees. Still not 1, so we don't do anything. And then this final one comes in here. We decrement the in degree once again. Now it's 1. That means we can finally add it to the queue. And then now I'll circle it in like yellow. So this is the second layer. Yellow is the second layer. And then we hit the 5. The 5 goes to the 4. We process that. That means we decrement the 4's in degrees by 1. Now the 4's in degrees is 1. So we add it to the queue. And boom. And then that's it. And then the level thing is like all the different color circles. Like the blue circles would be the first level. The yellow circles would be like the second level. It's just like level by level iteration. Anyways, that's that problem. I struggle to even see that it was a topological sort. I don't think topological sort was natural for me to think in that way. But maybe the other way that BetSimp was talking about, that 3DP thing, was more natural for me, but I couldn't implement it. Preet, what's happened? Ingest Dell, what's happened? Also, thank you very much for the sub. Man. Fedor von Bach, welcome to the party. All right, here we go for Ingest Dell. No. It's a new person for 2024. Ingest Dell. Thank you so much, man. You're one away from 111. What you talking about? Tweaking. 111. Oh, 1111. Like problem solved. I did with DFS. I was trying to do it with DFS Tomomami, but I couldn't figure it out, man. Alright, so now I'm more interested. Like, I don't think topological sort is how my brain is wired. Maybe it's because I haven't seen a top sort problem in, like, I don't even remember the last time I did a top sort, man. But I was definitely thinking about DFS and stuff. So let's take a look at some solutions, man. I don't want the top sort. Two DFS. I was also thinking about this double DFS thing, but I wouldn't know what to do with that. I wonder if I should click it. I don't know about that one. This is my solution to DFS. You don't look at the official solution sometimes, but it's locked, man. I ain't trying to pay money. Alright, so double DFS. I know if you DFS from one node and then it finds the furthest node away, and then you take the furthest node away and you DFS again, like that should find the width, the maximum width of the tree. But then what do you do with that? I'm not sure what you do with that. After you find those two, maybe you gotta like remember how far every node is on the first way down in the DFS, and then you remember the second way down on the DFS or something. It's like if we start from 0 with DFS, we get 5, and if we DFS from 5, zero, 1. Maybe like you just take the minimum of the two DFS paths. Anyways, let me see. Oh, Brett, what's happening? You do LeetCode all the time. Why not? Yeah, nah, I ain't trying to pay for that, man. I don't ever use a debugger, and I think I get most of my solutions from like Brett, BetSimp, and people in chat. I found the longest path in the tree and took the vertices in the middle. Vertices in the middle. I don't know why that works, but I believe you that it works. Every node max this to those farthest nodes will be the height. Every node's max. Oh. Yeah, I think I was thinking more on these terms, Tomomami. Like the double DFS, but then you keep the distances of each node. But it's the max. Is it the max? I was thinking the min. Will you do rooms today? Yeah, LeetRooms coming up right now, man. Alright, so it's either double DFS or top sort. Top sort feels like either you see it or you don't. Do you agree the nodes in the middle of the max length paths are solutions, but maybe not all of them? The nodes in the middle of a max length path. I mean, it sounds like it's good. But I have problems like proving it to myself that it's good. So, all right, like if we hit 0, the longest path is right here. Well, the first DFS is there, and then if we do a second DFS, well, maybe this is a bad example, man. All right, let me start over. So I'm gonna choose some node. Let me choose 4. And the DFS, I find the furthest node away from 4 as possible. And let's say it's this one right here. That's the first DFS. So it's like 0, 1, 2. And this is the distance from the first node with DFS at. And then if we went from this one and we did the DFS again, it would be like 0, 1, and then these would be 2 distance, and then this one would be 3. Wait, 0, right? So then 3 would be the height or the width of the tree. So we're saying like on this path, on the blue path, the nodes in the middle of the blue path are the answer, which is, I don't think I would have ever noticed that, man. I say the answer must be 3 and 4. Like, it's just the middle nodes in there. I mean, I believe you for sure, but man, you must need a math degree to know that that's true. I hated the problem description and went to the solution right away. Can I be forgiven? I don't know if I can forgive you for that, man. You should at least try for a few minutes to solve the problem. I mean, I see what you're saying, Brett, but is that like some prerequisite knowledge, or I don't know if prerequisite is the right word. That's not some theory that you like, what's the word, derived while you're solving the problem. That's something that you knew beforehand, right? If you are one of those middle nodes, no other node can be further. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. And one of the ends of the path. Yeah. Interesting. Top sort, man. Too easy. Oh shit. All right, anyways, thank you for sharing that knowledge, Brett, and everyone. Maybe it's time for LeetRooms. Are y'all ready? You ready for this? 60 minutes. Here we go. I've worked with graphs before, so probably from that, yeah. Wait, I have, man, something crazy happened to me today, man, at work. Something that's never happened to me in the history of working anywhere. I saw a data structure in the wild, in real life, man. I never thought it was possible, and I've never seen this data structure used like this. But I saw a dang try out there in the wilds. It was mind-blowing. I was so excited. I told all my teammates, like, hey man, look at this crazy thing I just seen in the code base. And I showed them that try. And it's like the first time I ever seen a try being used, man. And it was being used like, how can I explain? Yeah, I'm about to. So let's say there's like a list of words, and maybe all these words are whatever. They're actually names of something, right? And they kind of look like this. Anyways, there's not that many of them. There's only like, I think I have seen an implementation of what in Google's code base. Yeah, I don't. That's like some string hashing thing. Kias, what's happening? Welcome to the party. So, all right. There was like a list of words, and then there's a function that says like, let's say it's called is in scope, right? And then it has something, and then the function basically just, for simplicity, let's say it just created a set. And then it's like a set of the list of words, and then it just returns something like that. So this was the function, right? Making a set of some strings, and then you're trying to find if something is in scope, and it gives a string, and you're just trying to find if this thing is in one of these words. And it's like, okay. But then there was an optimization to this dang function because it wasn't performing very well, and we had like a performance crunch. And since somebody optimized it, and instead of using a dang set and stuff, it was like, it just created this try from the list of words, and then it returned if the try contained a thing. That's all it did, man. But it was a big enough optimization that it was worth doing. And man, it's my first time ever seeing a try being used, and I thought I was excited to see that. I would have thought that would never be better. Why do you say that, BetSimp? Unless there were a lot of words. You sure it was not BetSimp who did that? Yeah, it wasn't BetSimp, man. There weren't a lot of words. Maybe it's probably like 7 words in there or something. Also confused how this can be a big improvement. Well, first of all, 7 words. Faster, just check each one. But it's a growing thing of 7 words. I think there's some benchmarks for like each thing. I was also on team like we shouldn't make a set or anything. We should just have an array and just loop through the array and check each thing, like if it's equal, like a linear scan. But I think for some reason the try performed better, and I'm not sure why. I think maybe, I don't know why, but it just did. It was like some crazy thing. I've never seen anything like it. Anyways, I just wanted to share that, man. Don't think into it too much. Maybe someone fudged the numbers for their promo. Maybe. Maybe try is used for space optimized search. Oh yeah, that could be a thing too, but nah, I don't think. I mean, the space is cool and all, but anyways. If you can, yeah, it was a static try. We weren't constructing it every time. Soul Quisha, thank you very much for the follow. Anyways, Q1 I've already done. I'll try and do Q4, man. I need to do more hard problems. But my point was, like, I've just never seen any of these data structures being used. Like, I've never seen a binary tree in like real life. At least at the level that I code at. I'm sure you use binary trees like under the hood in some stuff. Oh, can you copy and paste the room code? Yeah. Let me pin this message. Wait, somebody was asking. I missed it. Mech Matt. Sorry, I missed their message. I see the room code, but how do we join? There is a website called LeetRooms.com, and you need to have Chrome. You download this extension, and then you can join this multiplayer room. Right now, we got 8 people in the room. Glump1, Tweakin, Brett, Nicholas Combe, System Design, BetSimp, and Pankaj. I still have the dream of using Dijkstra's at work one day. Yeah, that would be, man, if that ever happened, I'm telling everybody on the Discord immediately that I just used Dijkstra's at work or something. Deepak Victor, welcome to the party. How are you doing? All right. Minimize malware spread. You're given a network of n nodes represented as an n by n adjacency matrix graph, where the ith node is directly connected to the jth node if graph ij equals 1. Some nodes initially are initially infected by malware. Whenever 2 nodes are directly connected, and at least one of those 2 nodes is infected by malware, both nodes will be infected by malware. This spread of malware will continue until no more nodes can be infected in this manner. Suppose m initial is the final number of nodes infected with malware in the entire network after the spread of malware stops. We will remove exactly 1 node from initial. Return the node that, if removed, would minimize m initial. If multiple nodes could be removed to minimize m initial, return such a node with the smallest index. Note that if a node was removed from the initial list of infected nodes, it might still be infected later due to the malware spread. Q2 is what? Anyways, man. All right, another dang remove 1 node type of questions. I've been seeing these a lot lately. So let's try to think here. So they're saying all right, I think I gotta draw this out, man. So it's like node 0. It's connected to node 1. Wait. Oh, initial is 0. All right. Let me draw this again. Node 0 connected to node 1. Is that it? And then we got node 2 by itself. So 1 to 0, 1 to 1. All right, I think this is how this graph looks. And they say initially nodes 0 and nodes 1 are infected. So after the malware spreads, I guess it will still be just 2 nodes. And we need to remove 1 node to minimize the spread, so we'll just remove this one. Glump is a speed demon. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe he's already solved all of them. Man, 300 nodes. Is that like n cubed territory? Should I check if I should even be trying this problem? 924. 924. Oh yeah, I should be able to hit this, man. All right, let me look at. Oh, we have to remove 1 node from the initial list. We don't like actually delete the nodes. Let me think. Remove 1 node from that initial list. Okay, I think I see it. So maybe what we need to do is figure out the size of each group. Like we have to connect the components basically. And the size of these groups is 2. And the size of a 2 is 1 because there's only 1 node in the group. And then we just remove the group with the most connections. Yeah, so let me try to implement that. Right? So how are we gonna do it, man? Let me hide this for more real estate. So we have the graph, which is rows, calls. Do I even need rows and columns, man? I don't even know if I need that, but I guess it's n by n. Yeah, so n is just either of those sizes. I guess I could just say that. And I need like a group size or something. How do I figure out which? So I'm gonna do some type of DFS. But what am I doing here? I'm trying to like trying to figure out how big each group is and which group it belongs to. Man, I don't know why my brain is blanking out right now, because I know I can do this. I just can't think straight. So group size. I guess since there's only 300 nodes, I could just cheese it a little bit, maybe. So if we've seen it, we should just return. Then we want to visit all of its children. So it's like if graph. Oh, how do we find its children? I guess we go for graph X and then. Oh man, maybe I have to be like. Oh man, that's so loud. Everything is so loud here. Hector HSC, thank you very much for those bits. How are you doing, Hector HSC? Oh, type racer, man. Come on now. Jesus Christ. Let me put Hector's bits up here first. And then we'll do type racer. Hector HSC. A couple more bits. Easy work, easy work. And what now? Type racer, type racer. Who's here for type racer? Besides Pankaj. This is it, man. Oh, Q, what's happened? After last performance, I don't even know what you're talking about, man. You hit 120 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. All right, let's make a simple bet. The simplest bet, man. Will I hit 100 WPMs? Yes or no? That is the bet. 100, at least 100 WPMs, man. Can you share the type? Yeah, I'll share the type racer link, man. Don't you worry. I'm just trying to get the bet up first before we do that. Oh, Q says no, I'm not going to hit triple digits, which is probably true. I can't remember the last time I hit triple digits, man. But there, oops. There's the type racer. Oh, lordy. First race is the warm-up, second race is the championship round. Maybe everybody's like focusing on the problem. Or maybe not, you know. Alright. This is the warm-up round. Oh, let me see who's out here. Icy Black, Deep Pankaj, Jack, Dysax, Tomo Mami, Q, Don't Defense, Guest from Turkey. Let me see which country's up in here, man. We got India. Missed it. We got Brazil and US of A. All right, championship round. Here we go. No joking around, man. Triple digits. Here I come. Not even close, man. 93. Oh, lordy. Q, 112. Man, Q showing up for real. Anyways. JMV Chin. What's happened? Welcome to the party. Alright, Q, Type Racer Champ. And, man, did the bet finish? Anyways, I did not hit triple digits. Easy bet. Unfortunately. Alright, Q, 112. Goes up on the board, and then I'm going to solve that dang Q4. Man, my website is getting too crazy. I need a refactor, man. There we go. Q Ultimus Type Racer Champ Extraordinaire. Alright, so I'm trying to like figure out the size of all of these things. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do right now. All right. So I was iterating through here, and I'm like, so if it's one, that means it's connected. Q4 is also interesting if the edges aren't bidirectional. I don't know what I was doing. DFS, child, right? So I'm thinking like, I'm just trying to get the group size, man. I really should learn, what's that dang thing called? DSU? I can't, I'm drawing blanks right now. Problem. There it is. Disjoint set union. Yeah, is there another name for that? I really should learn it though. How am I doing this, man? I guess this is bootleg stuff. Union fine. That's what I was that's the word I was looking for, man. Thank you. I don't know what's going on with my mind today. But anyways, should I put that there? Does it make a difference? I don't think it makes a difference. So I get that size, put that size in, and then like, I guess we can just sort the initial. Because I'm lazy. I think it should work. And then I just like iterate over that. And then I need the biggest. Man. I don't think we need to sort. All right, so if group size is bigger than the biggest group, then that, right? Answer is the minimum, the lowest index, and then I guess we can change our biggest group to group size. I really don't like this solution if it works. I think it should work, but I'm not feeling this part right here where I have to like figure out the path, all the things I hit along the path, and then like set that group size. I think this has a lot of... Wait, LeetRooms is bugging again? Oh no. Uh-oh. Glump's Q4 is broken. Dang, hold on. Initial. Oh lordy, I thought I could have done it. Oh wait. No. Man, where did I mess up? Let me see. How is this hard? Don't defense. You can't be saying things like that, man. I guess it's not a hard, like super hard problem, but hold on. Why am I saying it's 1? Wait, the initial list is 3 and 1. So 1 and 3. How come? Oh, snap. No. So 3's group size should be 2. How come it's not 2 here, man? Maybe because I don't even add it to the path. crazy. Arbit random user. Man, what the hell is going on? Hold up, hold up. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but I feel like my idea should work. I think I just have a dang bug, but I can't believe it's passed so many test cases with such bad code. Dang. Wixel23, thank you very much for the follow. Michael CMD Sis, thank you very much for the follow. Look at that, 1 and 2. So if the group size is bigger than the biggest group, then how come... Oh, snap. Come on, man. What a lame bug to have. Come on, man. Boolean Cube, what's happening? How are you doing? Jesus Christ. Too many bugs in my code. How long are you going to be streaming today? Hold up. What the hell is going on here, man? I'm going to be streaming for another hour or so. I really don't know what's happening right now, man. Because... Oh, wait. Why is... Wait, one says it's... Wait. I see. Hold up. How am I gonna get... How is one... My code is janky, that's for sure. Anyways, I don't know what to do now. Because I feel for sure I can solve this problem, man. I'm just having issues with implementing it, which is crazy, man. You should play Simon Says. I don't know about that game, man. 2-2-1. That ain't even right, man. There's only one thing there. There's only one thing there. How come these are guessing? I don't know what to do here. Struggling a lot today. Why are Heba? How you doing? What's this problem about? Here's a link to it. Everything is a struggle recently, I feel. Man, am I tripping right now? Because how am I getting 2 for that group size? Zero. Nah. All right, something is fishy. So oh my God. Jesus Christ, man. Jesus Christ. I can't believe I'm doing some silly things like that. Still broken, man. All right. But at least I fixed the bug for sure. I gotta see what the hell I'm doing wrong now. I feel like this problem should not be giving me this much trouble for sure, you know? So the answer is 2. Oh. Because even if we remove the 0, I see. So not only do we need the group size, but we need to know which group it belongs to. And if there's only like one of those things. All right. It's coming to me slowly. Oh yeah, so I guess I see everything. Everything is clear now. But I need to refactor some things to make my code work. So I'm gonna have each node assigned an ID, which starts at 0. And then I'll have, I guess I'll have like each ID mapped to a group size or something. So then that way I can just eliminate my path. I don't need my paths anymore because we're just going to assign an ID. We don't need this. And then path line 26. Oh, this one. So now I'm trying to say this group ID is that. I guess we don't need the scene, but I'll leave it there since it's already there. And then I just put like, wait, ID to size is there, right? So now we have all the sizes of each group. Each node is ID'd. And now I gotta find a node with only one thing. Man, this is such a bootleg solution. ID, what was it? Group ID. Did I mark it there? Group ID X equal ID, right? So I want to be like group ID X plus plus. And I guess we just want to remove something with ID equals 1, right? I'm just gonna move this code into there. All right, let me see if this works, man. That was a big refactor. Ooh. ID to size of group ID X. All right, let me see what's up now, man. Oh, Lordy. So much struggling today. What the hell is that, man? I guess otherwise we just gotta return the minimum node. Man, finally, Jesus Christ, so many bugs, so much like things I forgot to take into consideration for this problem. I should really just learn union find because I wouldn't have to code up all my crazy group ID thing here. You're a beast? I don't know about that, El Minson. Union find is literally 2 lines, yeah. Alright. I should say I gotta get my union find template ready. Yeah. I'm so lazy, man. Such a shame, what I am. Ronnie Alex 99, thank you very much for the follow. Alright, should I even try one more? I feel like I struggled on that one for some reason. Check my binary search Swift solution. I don't know anything about Swift, man. You know, find template right here. Just 2 lambdas. Man, you think I'm remember how to type all that junk? This looks like Chinese to me, man. I guess I just have to get used to using union find. The last time I did union find was in 2001. I haven't done a union find since my initial training camp. Did the same thing but wrote union find. Yeah, I guess I really do need to just have union find under my belt and comfortable to just implement on demand wherever, whenever. Same thing with tries. I think Dijkstra's already got, like, I can implement Dijkstra's on demand wherever I want, whenever I want. Union Find for sure, but I guess I could just Google a template and just use it if I need to. But the problem is I don't know how to use it so quickly. I'd have to think. If you're going to write a Union Find template, why not make it readable? For some reason, I rewrite Union Find every time. I should just store it somewhere. Yeah, I thought you don't really use templates that much, Brett. At least not for LeetCode. Maybe if you're doing like Code Jam or something. I actually don't know the complexity of your Union Find. It's probably fine, but you should still merge smaller into larger to get that sweet log. YR Heba, thank you very much for the follow. Last time I solved a segment tree, I rewrote it, man. That is crack. Rolling hash KMP as well. Man, I think I learned one of these string hashing things, maybe KMP. I think Brett actually taught me, but it's been years, man. I don't remember how to do any of that stuff. But if I competed again, I would probably use templates. Seems like a good idea during a timed competition. Do you think you'll ever compete in a contest again, Brett? Are you talking about competing like in competitive programming, big leagues, or just like taking a LeetCode contest? Just LeetCode or Code Forces? Have you been doing Code Forces, Brett? Like, do you have a Code Forces rank? Are you like a... If I were to guess, you'd be like... I don't even know Code Forces ranks, man. But at least a master. Yeah? No? Yeah. I gotta start using templates, huh? I think, you know, if I started to use templates, I think I could get a lot faster. But I've been just trying to not use templates, maybe because I feel I haven't earned it to use some of these templates. I think I've earned the right to use a Dijkstra's though, because man, I can implement Dijkstra's almost bug-free every single time. But all the other stuff, man, I don't know. What are some popular templates, man? Like you got Union Find template, you got a Dijkstra's template, all those other things you're saying, segment trees, rolling hash KMP templates. Anything else you guys use templates for? Or is that it? I mean, I've seen some of those templates are like 1,000 lines long, man. Oh, a try template, man. Man, JCast19. If I had a try template, I'd be killing it. Suffix array. Suffix array. I don't even do the problems anymore. Every problem is a template. Yeah. BetSimp has a dang debugging ass template right here. Look at this. It's just to print a dang statement. He has a template to print, you know. It's crazy. Anyways. A sieve. Yeah, man. I need a sieve template. Wait, is it pronounced sieve? I forget if I'm mispronouncing it. Sieve.
Sieve.
It's a sieve. I knew it. I knew I was mispronouncing that word. Rightly so. Welcome to the party. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Well, kinda. I feel not that great about my algorithm's performance today. Max flow? I don't even know what max flow is. Geometry template? Yeah. One of these days I'll start using templates, man. Alright, 8 minutes left in this room. Should I try any of these? Sort them. Man, I've already done this one. Let me see when I've done it. Oof. I haven't done this one in a while. Maybe I can do it real quick. This one, I'm pretty sure I've done this one many times. 2 times. Well, 1 time really. This one looks annoying, but I could do it for sure. CP Algorithms has a good Civ template for C++. Yeah, I might have to use some of those Civ templates. Maxflow is way beyond what problems Simon will encounter. For now, don't defense. Maybe one of these days, maybe you come back to the stream in 5 years and I'm like, Code Force is red, you know? Yeah, right. I'm looking into Simon's future, man. Thank you, Brett. I think knowing flow networks is a good thing. I don't even know what that means, but I did study a lot of mass flow rates in college. I specialize in thermal fluids for mechanical engineering. I don't know what that means, but I used to be able to calculate like a bunch of cool things, man, about like how much temperature change is gonna happen once you introduce this to that at this temperature. I used to be able to calculate what size piping you might need for your system. I don't know how to do that stuff anymore though. There are many DP problems that you can solve with max flow. I just go, yeah, I also go with the flow. Simon laying pipe in college confirmed. Definitely not, man. I wasn't laying any pipes anywhere. Max flow problem. Man. Yo, what the hell is this? Binary blocking flow algorithm. Complexity. Imagine you get an interview and you implement some shit and they're like, all right, what's the time complexity? And your ass got to tell them O to the E min V to the 2/3 comma E to the 1/2 times log V squared over E log U plus C. This is crazy, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have it in a template, but I have only encountered one competition problem that had FFT. I don't know what FFT is. Probably we're talking about it earlier, maybe. Oh, Het Tannis, thank you very much for the raid. Took me a couple of months to understand the backward edges. I don't know what that is. Het Tannis, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. If y'all don't know about Het Tannis, how do you do this? Het Tannis does Linux stuff. And Het Tannis's name is an anagram of the stain. That's where his name comes from. Thank you very much for that raid. If you're interested in anything Linux, go check his channel out, man. Anyways, range. What? I think I saw a polynomial. Wait, what are y'all talking about? I missed some things. There are 2 FFT problems. What? 10 plus FFT problems. Don't know what that is. Fast Fourier transform. And what the hell is that? Let me look up. Let me look that up right now. I mean, I don't really know what this is, but a fast Fourier transform is an algorithm that computes the discrete Fourier transform of a sequence or its inverse. A what? In mathematics, the discrete Fourier transform converts a finite sequence of equally spaced samples of a function into a same length sequence of equally spaced samples of the discrete time Fourier transform, which is a complex valued function of frequency. Oh, psh, easy. Explains it. I don't know anything I just read, man. Super easy. Try saying that 3 times fast. Wait. Nah, come on now. I learned it while studying math. So it's more of a math topic. I guess it did say discrete math in there. Takes your time domain signal and make it frequency domain. Inspector diameter. What's happening? I don't even know what it is used most in engineering. Man, I'm a bad engineer. Signal processing. Okay, that's not mechanical stuff, man. That's like electrical engineering type stuff. Do math degrees have an ultimate advantage in LeetCode? I think so, man. I think math majors make strong competitive programmers. Maybe it's just because all the people who are good have some type of math background that I know. Like in real life, at work, all the people who do competitive programming in college or whatever, they're all math majors, man. It could also be because back in those days, computer science probably didn't exist. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know what to do. If we should do some more problems or if I should just chill. Man, I think LeetRooms makes me do less problems because like I'll just sit around for the time to run out instead of just moving on to another hard problem. I might limit my LeetRooms to like 1 session per stream and then just train 0 track for the remaining time. Or maybe I'll just do mediums and hards so at least I get 2 hard problems in the room. I see LeetCode doing quantum computer competitions in the next 25 years. Man, maybe 2,500 years. I don't think that's coming out in our lifetimes. We need the marketing majors to make some LeetCode problems. Marketing majors. Man, what kind of math do you do in marketing? Anyways, let me try that. I'm going to create a new room, but I'm going to take out the easies. We're only going to do mediums and hards. And I probably won't be around for the whole room. But here it is. How do I unpin this message? Bakio Tommy, thank you very much for the follow. All right, there's a new LeetRooms thing. If you're interested in medium and hard problems, you know what to do. Cookie Moscato, thank you very much for the follow. All right, here we go, man. 2 mediums, 2 hards. I'm about to try Q3. Minimum adjacent swaps for k consecutive ones. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Nums comprises of only zeros and ones. In one move, you can choose two adjacent indices and swap their values. Return the minimum number of moves required so that nums has k consecutive ones. Oh lordy. Two consecutive ones. Okay. I'm just for the show? Like a Coliseum? What you talking about, man? Streaming on YouTube. Yeah, I stream on both at the same time. How can I join the room? You gotta download an extension from LeetRooms. And then the extension only works on Chrome. Once you have the extension, you gotta register. I suggest registering with Twitch. Just sign in with Twitch. And then you enter the room code. Alright. One move. You could have that. I wonder if... Is this like a... Is this like a prefix sum problem? Or is it something else? So I'm thinking like, well, maybe not prefix sums. Maybe it's... So however many zeros in between groups of ones is like how many moves to move like one thing over all the way. So like moving this one would take 5 swaps to make it reunite with the other group. But moving these two ones to reunite with this one would take each one 5 moves. So that would be 10 moves to move all of those over there. So, I'm trying to think. How do I find the best groups to merge? I don't know yet. Should I look at the rating? 1703. Let me look at the rating just to make sure it's within... Oh, 2466, man. Oh, lordy. Is this too hard for me? Let me see what the other one is rated. Reducing dishes. 1402. But I don't know. I don't feel I should be looking at 1679. I don't even want to try that. All right, let me stick with Q3. Excuse me. It's k consecutive ones. I wonder if I can turn this into like a graph problem somehow. Nah, maybe not. I don't know. Sliding window? Not sure, man. I was thinking all types of things here. It's also thinking like prefix sum. But I guess sliding window, like you just keep growing the window. Let me think. Prefix sum. What would I do in prefix sums? Maybe I'm just looking for the last occurrence of the target sum. Let me hide this. Man, this problem is hard. And I don't know if I can actually do it, but I'll give it some good thoughts. I'm just gonna modify it a bit. Prefix sums, that would look like zero 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 1 1 1 1 2 3. So at 3, I'll find this 0. I get the length. Then what do I do now? It's 3 swaps because I don't know. I don't really have any good ideas for this one. But man, Glump system design 0 to hero, too easy for y'all, man. How y'all doing it in like 5 minutes? Oh, that's Q4. We're talking about Q3 though. Q3, man. How do you do Q3? And Q4 is utter crap, man. I saw the 0 track on it. It was like a 1600 rated problem. Alright, I wonder if I have to go from like the left, go from the left, go from the right. So if I went from the left, I just want to connect groups of ones together. And so I have to remember like how many zeros in between those ones. All right, I'm gonna try a few things just to get my brain juices flowing. So I want to group together all my ones and have them represented as like an actual number. So like each individual one will just be a one, but like a group of two like this, I'm gonna replace it with 2 or something. So I guess we can say wait. How are we gonna do that, man? Let me think. So I'm gonna push back the streak, push back 0, but then maybe something like this. Anyways, man. I don't know if I can get this problem. So this looks like there's too many zeros. How do I get extra zeros, man? 1. Push back the streak. Oh. I guess I need like... I don't even know if this is like gonna help me out or what, you know. But we'll see. We'll see soon. Alright, so that looks okay. That looks okay. 201, that looks okay. So now that I have them like that, I'm trying to now find I'm trying to like figure out the best way to connect groups. Maybe I can do the same thing for the zeros, but have them represented as negative streaks. And then it's like, how do you find the minimum to connect them all? I guess you can say these are kind of like edges, man. Like 1 is connected to 2 with a weight of 5. Oh yeah, maybe that's it. So maybe I can create an edge from 1 to 2 with a weight of 5. And then there's another edge from 2 to 1 with a weight of 10, because it's 2 times the amount of zeros. And then, so if we did that, it's like 1, 2, And this is connected there with a weight of 5. And then this is connected with a weight of 10. And K equals 3. It's like we're just trying to, I don't know what to do, man. This problem is probably a little bit too hard for me, I'm not gonna lie. But this is where my mind is going. I don't know if I'm on the right path for a solution here. I don't know how to like connect them though. Robo Dom, what's happening? When am I going on vacation? I'm leaving on Thursday, man. I'm reading one hint. Choose K1s and determine how many steps are required to move them into one group. I wonder if you can binary search this. Well, how do I know which ones to choose? K1s. Oh, wait. I have another idea. Let me erase all this junk at just types. I have another idea. What is my idea? Well, maybe I should keep that. And that. My idea is maybe I should put all the indices that ones appear at. So 3, 7, and 8. And then I slide my window. And then how do I know how many moves it takes to like get these all into one? Is it like from the left, from the right? Is it something like that, man? Got 12 minutes left. Let me see if anybody has done Q3. Nobody has hit Q3 yet. Q3 is... I'll link it in chat if anyone's interested. I wonder if it's something like that, man. Where... Alright, from the left... It's like the accumulation. This is like how many moves to get all the ones on the left to join that part right there. So this one would be 0. This one would be this diff, which is 4. Minus 1, so 3. And then this is gonna be this minus 1, which is 0, plus 3, so that would still be 3. Wait. I think I messed up. Let me put the original numbers in here. So this would be 0. So this would be 7 minus 1, which is that right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have one too many. I have one too many here. So this would actually be 6 and 7. So that would be 5. And this would also be 5. And then this one will be from the right. So this would be 0, 0, and 5. And then I just take the min of either the min or add them together. Q3 is not an easy problem. Don't defense. Yeah. I realize that for sure, man. Let me try out my theory on this one, this test case. So all the ones, k equals 2. So we just need 2 of them. So I guess we like slide a window of 2. And nah, I don't know, man. These 2 are already there. I don't know what to do. Read more hints. Alright, I think maybe I'm on the right path, but I don't even know how to implement this junk. I don't even know, man. I'm failing case 2. L. Minson, which one are you? Oh, Flumsy was in here, man. Flumsy, if you're still watching, man, thank you so much for LeetRooms. Hope everything is going well with you, Flumsy. Problems are hard, though. Man. Anyways, this problem way too hard for me. Maybe I'll just chill. Maybe I'll read Q2 and see what's up. And then I gotta go. Minimum deletions to make string balanced. You're given a string S consisting only of characters A and B. You can delete any number of characters in S to make S balanced. S is balanced if there are no pair of indices ij such that I less than j and si equal b and sj equal a. Oh man, this one is, I think I can solve this one, man, but not in 7 minutes. This one is like, how many A's? So no B's can come before A's. That's what it's saying. So it's like, how many A's to the left? How many B's to the right? Man, maybe I should try and practice. Let me see. Everything is difficult today. So they're saying many deletions? So you're saying you delete that one and that one. Index 2 and index 6. So how many? Wait, how many A's to the right? That's what we need to know. So this one has 3 A's to the right, 2 A's to the right, 1 A to the right, 0. I don't know if that's the right way. Did you get the K consecutive ones? No, Mad Flash. I give up on that, man. It's way too hard for me. B's to the left. Do you solve Q3? Nah. Q3 way too difficult, Pankaj. So is it just like going through this? This is like A's to the right. And this is like B's to the left. Never give up on LeetCode. Yeah, right, man. I give up all the time. All right, maybe I'm gonna try this real quick. So A left. No, A's to the right. Yeah, A right, B left. Well, we'll do left first. So B's to the left. We're gonna say if this is a B, B's plus plus, but then do we increment it, I guess, before or something? B left I equal B's. And then let's go from the right. And we're about to say A right if this is equal to an A. And then what, man? Is it like you add them together or something? A left I plus B, A right I don't think, I think there's some edge cases I'm missing for sure. I don't even know if this is the solution, man, but let's see. I should have probably thought of some test cases, but oh, that wasn't bad. That was pretty easy. I thought there was gonna be some weird test cases that failed. Anyways, at least I got one in. I hate these greedy ad hoc problems. What you talking about? Why is your Twitch name Midnight Simon? I created the name Midnight Simon for when I did some photography, and I just decided to use the same name. So yeah, and Midnight Simon was taken also. But I chose Midnight Simon as my photography name because I'd go out from like 10 p.m. to like 4 a.m. basically midnight to go take pictures on the streets. I was like a nighttime street photographer. But I never really got too far with that, man. I kind of gave up on that photography thing to pursue LeetCode. And here I am. I just chose the same name, doing algorithms. So these are the type of midnight pictures I was taking. And I started this, like, I was traveling Southeast Asia and places. I started it in Vietnam, in Hanoi. And I'd go out with my friend. This is my best friend right here. This guy in the yellow headband. I'd go out with him every night for like 3, 4, 5 hours, just roaming the streets and taking pictures. And we just joke around, and there he is again. Walking through this alley. I'd be like, all right, go walk down this place, go do that. And that's all I did. And I think so this first series I did, these are all Hanoi, Vietnam. It took me like a month or so, like 4 or 5 weeks every day going out there to take these pictures. And these are like nitrous oxide balloons. It's crazy out there. Everybody's doing balloons. I had to blur this guy's face because I didn't even know if it was like a bad look for him doing balloons on the streets, man. But after Vietnam, I went to Japan for some time, and I tried to repeat the same style but in a different city. So the next series, this is also the picture I have. I don't know where it's at, but this is one of the prints that you can win for 500k points. This next series was like Osaka only, and I tried to capture Osaka with the same kind of exaggerated colors and stuff. And there it is. So I think of my Osaka things, this is one of my favorite pictures that I've taken. Also like this one. This one was like 5 a.m., not really midnight. It's kind of, you can see the light outside. And then, yeah, that's it. That's how the name Midnight Simon came about. Where's that accent from? I'm not sure, man. Maybe you have an idea. Usually, only the people who ask me where my accent is from, they already know where it's from, but they're not sure. So I think you know, man. John 17, what's happened? Welcome to the party. Feels like Chat GPT art. Yeah, it kind of does, man. Nice pics, thank you. Looks like Tokyo Drift. What's that lady doing there at 5 a.m.? Who knows? Who knows? Anyways, that's all I got. Look at the time. It's time for me to go. But first, I'm just gonna peep at BetSimps Q3 because it's crazy. So it prefix sums, man. Look at that. Oh man, what the hell is this, man? But I wonder, I had some thoughts about prefix sums. I just couldn't figure it out. But anyways, what a crazy looking thing. I will never solve that. Insane. Yeah, that's how I feel too. When we do an Osaka trip, man, hopefully soon. I kind of want to go back, you know. But I'll be going, let's see, on Thursday I'm leaving. I'll be out for like a week. I have it on my website. I'll be away from these dates. And then I'll also be away like end of May. I'll be away for like another week or so. But that's it. That's all. Let me go raid somebody. I'm out of here, man. Oh, Pat's Hello World is on. You already know. You already know where we're about to go, man.
Yes, I'm not watching this.
Everyone's already there. IRL stream, post some vlogs, man. I don't know about all that. Cool webpage, thank you. Anyways, thank you everyone for tuning in. We're about to go raid Pat. And I'm about to go chill, man. I don't know. I haven't been feeling too... Maybe I need a little break from LeetCode. I've been feeling a little down about my LeetCode performance, you know? I think. Anyways, well goes through ups and downs. Robodom, DeLorean is back. Have a good night. See you later. Thank you for tuning in. El Minson, Pankaj, Q Ultimus. See you later. Franco, adios amigo. John 17. See you next time. Thank you for tuning in. Icy Black Deep, Mad Flash. Have a good night. Don't Defense. See you later. And everyone else, Brett, if you're still in here, Bet Simp. See you later. See you next time. Icy Black Deep. Adios. Wednesday will be my last stream before I go out for a week. So be there if you want to get in some last minute algos. And see you later, YouTube. Man, my bad. I didn't even see none of that. None of those messages.